Alright, Master Designers, tonight we're going to draw irisca from Bakugan Gundalian Invaders. Only seen in Bakugan Dimensions, irisca is a Series 4 Bakugan, which is really rare and hard to find and hard to spot in stores. And to be honest, I never realized that I'd be next in line to draw them. This is going to be my first time drawing this guy. Albedo, you. Here we have his tentacles. He looks like one of those nanovore, like from the original game. There we go. Irisca is one of the Bakugan where you can get his true form on Bakugan Dimensions. This new game that's been around for like a while, but has been taken off the site. I really wanted to play it, but I don't know how to play it. Oh well, guess I better let the past go. I was more of a researcher guy. go. Hmm. I wanted to find out. And then almost done. And finished. That's how you draw Irisca, one of the light up Bakugan. First time spotting this guy. To find out more on what new Bakugan are in store, leave a comment below on which one you want me to draw next in the comments below. You can spot them in the playlist. And I'll be here waiting for you guys. Till then, please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.